thirsty. What's up, J Squad? Back with another video. And today is Wednesday. Y'all wondering why I didn't make a vlog yesterday? It's because I know Monday's vlog. I uploaded about, Angry Grandpa dying. I'm not sad about that no more, but I was sad about it yesterday. It really broke my heart, guys. Like, it was so sad to see him die. Like I said, he was one of my favorite YouTubers. He was a role model. He's the reason why I have YouTube now. So it really broke my heart. But I'm good now. I'm trying to, overcome that. Not trying to let that bring me down. Stop me from filming. But I know y'all see the title of my vlog. That we might be getting hit by a big snowstorm. And it's true. And I wanted to tell you guys yesterday, but like I said, I was down and I couldn't. So I really couldn't say it yet. And it's actually, the snowstorm is gonna hit tonight, and it's gonna go all the way into Saturday. So it's hitting tonight, I think at like 6 or 7, and then it's not gonna stop until Saturday. That's probably one of the biggest snowstorms we'll get. Because I remember we got hit by a snowstorm, and we got hit by a blizzard. That blizzard, I think, was one of the biggest blizzards I ever seen. It started. It happened on like a Sunday morning, and then it didn't stop till like 3 days. It happened for almost 3 days. This is gonna happen for at least 4 days. At least 4 days, because this is not gonna. Ow! I just stabbed myself with my pencil. Ow! Stab me. But this isn't gonna stop till Sunday. I'm thinking, because I knew we were gonna get hit by we were gonna get snow again on Thursday, but I didn't know it was gonna happen tonight, and then it wasn't gonna stop till at least Sunday and like 2 o'clock in the morning. Oh, and also, guys, I'm not gonna say definitely it's happening, but Saturday, if we get lucky, my video for Saturday, we're gonna try to do a live stream. So yeah, so we're gonna get hit by a snowstorm. We're gonna try to go live Sunday. We're gonna go pick up the kids. I'll film that. I always say I'm gonna film it, but I don't. But I'll film it, and we'll see what happens there. All right, but let's get to the video. Oh my God, guys! Well, we crossing the street. Y'all really won't understand what literally just happened. Like a few seconds ago. He watched it. I saw it. So me and little Jaden, we're walking home with this, when we saw this girl who we know who lives near us, who lives down the street from us. I'm not gonna say no names, but we're walking with her, and while we're walking with her, this 6th grader gets out of her car and starts running towards us. I thought she just wanted to dap us up or something like that. She runs, the 6th grader runs and just hits and literally mushes the girl's face to the ground, starts beating on her, takes the girl's hair out with the and because the girl had a bandana in her hair, takes her bandana and her hair out and walks into her car. Walks in her car and just drives off with the hair and the bandana. And through all this was like a good 15 seconds, right? Through all this, I'm just that's all I was. And that's the reason why I didn't film us walking, because it literally it was just out of the blue. So let's get inside real quick. All right, you ready? Ready, set. Sorry, it didn't work. Oh, sorry. Let's try one more time. Still doesn't work. Ready? Ready? Whoa! Oh, guys. Alright, so we're back. So, that was like really messed up what just happened. Like, I'm still shocked by it. Like, just for what? I mean, it was probably for a reason why that happened, but since I don't know the reason, I'm just like, that's like totally messed up. Like, what? Like, just, like, why? Why should that happen? Well, I was about to say that's it for this video. It's only been like 5 minutes long, but yeah, like I said, that was messed up. Alright, so we're back, J Squad. I'm back at the school because I gotta pick up Big Jaden, the big brother, because he was at choir. But it looks like it's gonna be snowing soon. I checked the weather app thing. I have a weather app, and I don't think you could see it, but the clouds are starting to come this way. And I looked at it and it said it's gonna snow. It's gonna start at 8. Hopefully, Fox News is right, and it does snow for at least 4 days, hopefully. Now, I'm not gonna say, now, I know the title definitely says we might be getting hit by a snowstorm. It doesn't say we're definitely getting hit by a snowstorm, but let me just check out something real quick. So, what I'm about to pull off today is I'm waiting like far away from where my brother I'm supposed to pick him up. He gets off like, you see all the way down there. That's where I gotta go pick him up. But usually he walks home with his friend. He doesn't. I don't even think he knows I'm up here, because usually I'll be up here. Sometimes I won't. It depends on like what I'm doing. Like either if I'm editing, something like that. Yeah, if I'm editing or something like that, then I'll pick him up. But if I don't, then he walks home with his friend, and I'm gonna prank him. Him and his friend, Deshaun, they're gonna walk this way, and I'm gonna it's almost like I'm gonna run and like grab one of them and like scare the living mess out of them. Like this is gonna be a good prank. It's really cold out here. Like, I'm just getting cool just recording. So I don't know. I'll try to make sure that they don't see the flashlight. But let's get to the prank. Oh, I almost forgot, guys. If y'all wonder why it's so cold out here, I said why it's so cold out. Well, it is December. Why it is dark time here. The reason is because well, we had daylight savings, and now it gets dark around like real early. And yeah, all right. Well, they're about to end like now, so let's get to prank. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, all the fields we go, laughing all the way. I'm about to ring, they make our spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing this sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, and jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, and jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. I think I really messed up on that high pitch. But, yeah. Guys, I keep recording because I'm bored right now. And I'm trying to wait for them to hurry up. I might close out the video right after I do this prank. I don't know, maybe. I'm trying to film until it snows, because, like, the clouds are starting to come, like, really fast. And it really feels like it's going to be snowing soon. But there's going to be a lot of editing to do. So, probably after this prank, let me see him. Yeah, probably after the prank, I'll close out the vlog. I think this was like 7 minutes long. No, wait. No, this was like 9 minutes long. So, yeah, after this prank, I'm gonna close out the video. Wait, no, we won't close out the video. You know why? Because I'm hoping that my mom is trying to go out shopping. Not shopping, but at least go to the store so we could pick up some... It died. Oh, man. It didn't die, but... Hold up, guys. So, guys, now I gotta be right here because my flashlight turned off. My camera's about to die. So, yeah, I'm hoping that my mom will take me, to the store. I'll record that, but if she doesn't take me to the store, then we're gonna close out the video next, so y'all will know. Alright, let's get to the prank. Alright, guys, so they're coming. I don't think you can see them, though. I definitely see them. These two people. I think that's them. No, that's not them. Never mind. Oops. Wrong people. Alright, guys, well, prank failed because I just heard from one of my little best friends that they can't come over here unless I go over there. I gotta go there and pick them up. So, prank failed. So, we're just gonna have to get home and do the outro. Let's get it.
He's going backward. What's up, Jake? Going back with no video into
I've been did the intro. I did the intro, but while y'all was still in school. So, guys, we're back. And the issue that I just told y'all about the girl who just got basically not abused but battered, that situation is like really getting really big. Her grandmother just like talked to me and Big J.
Yes.
Remember she just talked to us?
Remember she was like, you call me some little boy. She was talking to me. I think
No, she said you called me.
Oh.
She was like, because I tried to call, because I was trying to call her. First, she didn't even know who we were at first, because it's so dark. But, the grandmother of the girl is, calling the cops. Cops might come to my house, talk to me, and, little Jay, because we were there. And, if it does happen, if the cops do come, I might talk to you about it. I don't even want to talk about it right now. It was so horrible. No, I did not get it on film. I'm not gonna record somebody literally getting battered. I would not do that. Don't look at me like that.
I'm saying, like, of course. Big J.
Actually, I actually tried to walk up and tried to go, like, try to get the girl and tell her to stop, but she ran with the other girl's bun, drove in a car and tried to drive off, and I'm still chasing after them. But that's it for this video. I'm about to make some burgers for them. Yeah, I'm about to make some burgers for them. Alright, guys, well, I'm about to make some burgers. I don't know why they did that, but anyways, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to comment down below what challenges, pranks, and reaction videos you want me or him or him.
I'm gonna do a prank on him. Later.
You want me to do, and I will do it. But anyways, I will see you tomorrow.
J Squad. J Squad. Peace.
No. Sorry, guys, but I will see you tomorrow.
J Squad. J Squad.
J Squad. Peace.